Start.
Hello everyone. Hello. I am Disha Verma, a student of DEG Institute, and today I want to talk about something very important, which is very important in our life, and by which we become respectful person in society, and anyone can attract by seeing this quality in our personality. So I am talking about personality development. So for understanding personality development, we also let's understand the personality. What is the meaning of personality? So first of all, everyone means some people think that personality means good looks, good clothes, and how you look in society. What is your position in society? This is your personality. They think like that. If you are good in your looks, if you are stylish, if your clothes are clean and good, so you are good personality. But it is not truth, because personality is thing. How personality means how you think, how you behave with people, how you deal with anybody, and how you communicate with other people, and how you convince others. Like if you are seller, so how you sell your product, this is the part of your personality. And there are many things by which we can improve our personality. So first I talk about the first pillar of personality development. It is self-awareness. It means when we have awareness about ourselves, so we can make our personality better. Like if we know about our strengths, so we can improve them. And if we don't know about our strengths, so how can we become successful? Because when we want to achieve something, so that time we need to understand what is our strengths. And second thing, we should work on our weaknesses. And when we are not self-aware, so that time we don't have weaknesses, we don't know what is my weaknesses. That time we cannot improve our personality. But when we know what is my weakness, that time we have a chance to work on them, and we have a chance to improve this and reduce